Na igua raigira wega. Na no igua panganga.
Riu ka Gikuyu. Okay, Gikuyu riu.
Haya. Muthaki wa Manchester United Marcus Rashford. Oni mwanake wafungite kirabu kia Arsenal bao. Na muthenya uyu ngigithie thukuru guthoma to ndarikitie guthoma. Ndamenyaga kiriro kia reheire athaki na mashabiki a Arsenal. Na riu no ina mubira thaa ici. Agacokia haria thutha gwetha McTominay zaidi kufunga bao. Usiagetie kufunga bao. Usiagetie ni aingehia bao. Aigua atigio ndo haroka. Agathwari ni karoko ndu. Gikura mwaka wa thothe ciugo tondu.
You have to be creative. I agree.
Nuru he mundu utangaraga mubira na ndi mwendete etagwo Mike Dean.
Yes.
Na Peter Drury. Mike Dean referee. Ni Peter Drury.
Ni Peter Drury. Wa Korea London.
Yes. More analyst where commentator.
Yes.
And I can see Manchester United, they played very well right now. And they're trying to play the best way. And that is marvelous for Manchester United.
Well, I tell you, football has never been any more better. Because it's a clash-up is going to be. A clash-up, temperatures starting up to 28 degrees here. At the Old Trafford.
Phenomenal. Phenomenal.
Staggering. Just staggering.
Stunning.
Staggering. Just staggering. The goalkeeper knew nothing of it. A superb goal from an incredible player. It's there. It is 3-0. It's going to be Hess's Navas all the way back to Martinelli. Back to Navas. Shoots.
Lakini sasa msikilizaji, siamini yanazungumza hivi. Na unajua mama amebadilika runi Gikuyu. Ndiate kiarari ogwo na maundu mane macenjagia.
Sina mwana kutadidira kumwadhira mufira kahegwo. It's gonna be a penalty surely.
Abaya mwothe ore radio K24+. Wenda kuigua uria matangatho